Okay. Okay, guys, this is a song. This is gonna be a song I'm gonna make. Actually, never mind. Okay, so we're gonna play breaking. We're gonna make one out of this. I swear, I'm gonna. You don't. Please, don't leave me. Okay. What? The healer. How is DeAndre? I'm trying to get DeAndre because he's always in my way. He's the first person to start this cult. I'm not in this cult. I'm just pretending to be a magician. And I'm gonna tell them that I'm wrecked. Alright. You don't know my YouTube. Okay, I already got I got more likes than you'll probably get. Well, thank you guys for almost 800 views. Thank you for 1,000 views on your videos. And the best one was almost at 800. Thanks for the 800 video lifetime. I really appreciate it. But now, if I die, it's always gonna be me because it's always gonna be me who's gonna get the kill because everybody's gonna kill me. It's because I'm close next to them. You can just click the other person and then go shoot the other person, right? I don't understand. Okay, one. I have to kill them. Because every time who I get, bro, I got 13 wins. DeAndre's got 10. I'm gonna make sure DeAndre gets out of this because I want them to get out because they're gonna just mess around. Now there's more people. Good. Just shoot. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Just give it to another person now. Bro, you should have just gone into the... Why did you just give it... Look at this stupid game. Oh yeah, this game is called Breaking Point 2. This is the second one. And now this is gonna be weird. I don't know what I need. Okay. It's gonna suck. Alright. Now it's gonna happen. You're gonna kill me. Now I'm gonna kill you. I just killed her. I got ya, boy. Yeah. At least I don't care if I get 0 votes. Why do I still got 0 votes? It's not fair. There's already 4 people in this game. Yo, mom. Ding dong. Bro, it looks like it's everyone. I'm gonna die. I'm getting killed. Oh my gosh. Well, at least she won because she is like super. She's like super gaming. She gets annoying sometimes. We're already 6 minutes in the video, and Roblox, yeah, guys. I killed you, yes. I killed it. Okay. I don't know what to do because this is so because a lot of people. There's not a lot of people. It's just that's a guy. Okay, I'm back. I'm still waiting until I get Roblox. Once I get Roblox, video